So I've been playing a ton of games lately, and 2025, man, it's been wild for story-driven titles. If you are like me and you love a good plot twist, heart-punching emotions, or just yelling what just happened at your screen, this list is for you. Here are 10 of the best story-driven games of 2025 that you seriously shouldn't miss. Let's go. Number 10, Banishers Ghost of New Eden. This game broke me in the best way. You play as a pair of lovers and ghost hunters, one of whom is, well, already a ghost. Yeah. It's a beautiful story about love, loss, and choosing between duty and your heart. Every mission feels personal, every decision weighs on you. If you are into emotional, supernatural journeys with real stake, this is it. Number 9, Star Wars Outlaws. So you're not a Jedi, you're Kves, a rogue trying to survive the galaxy's underworld. This game flips the usual Star Wars script. It's gritty, personal, and full of heart. No force powers, no epic destiny, just a scrappy outlaw with a blaster and a fuzzy sidekick named Nix. It's basically the Mandalorian meets Uncharted, and somehow it works perfectly. I got emotionally attached to a droid. That's how deep this game pulls you in. Number 8, South of Midnight. Okay, this one totally unlike anything else I played this year. South of Midnight drops you into a mystical, folklore-rich version of American South. Swamps, spirits, bluesy vibes. It's like a fairy tale dipped in gumbo and shadow. You play as Hazel, a young woman with a mysterious family legacy who can weave magical threads into the world. And no joke, the creatures in this game, straight up nightmare fuel, but also kind of poetic. This game doesn't just look unique, it feels unique. The storytelling flows like an old blues song, full of heartbreak, rhythm, and weird haunting beauty. If you want a story with serious soul and style, this one's for you. Number 7, Dragon's Dogma 2. Massive world? Check. Ridiculous boss fight? Check. Story that slowly sinks its claws in? Oh yeah. Dragon's Dogma 2 starts with simple medieval fantasy, but it gets deeper. Political plots, cursed destinies, and your pawn, a character who's like your RPG soulmate. It's not just about dragons, it's about your journey through a land that constantly pushes back. And trust me, getting ambushed by a chimera never gets old. Number 6, Hellblade 2 Senua's Saga. This one hits different. It's not just a game, it's an experience. Senua's journey through trauma, grief, and warrior rage is brutal, emotionally and visually. The binaural audio makes you hear voices in your head, the visuals are stunning, and the story doesn't hold your hand. It dares you to follow her into madness. And when the credits roll, you sit there in silence, processing. That's powerful storytelling. Number 5, Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl. This game is haunting in the best way. You explore the radioactive zone, a place full of anomalies, strange factions, and terrifying monsters. But the real horror, the choices. Every decision feels like it would kill you or someone else. The storytelling is non-linear and intense. It's like reading a dystopian novel where the pages are soaked in radiation. You don't play this one casually, you survive it. Number 4, Black Myth Wukong. Now this is straight up mythological cinema. In Black Myth Wukong, you play the legendary Monkey King jumping through Chinese folklore, battling beasts that honestly deserve their own horror movies. But the story, it's not just action, it's deep, spiritual, and kinda tragic too. There's something magical about watching a legend fall, rise, and question everything. Trust me, the lore hits different. Number 3, Clair Obscur Expedition 33. I did not expect this one to grab me like it did. Clair Obscur Expedition 33 is a poetic RPG. It's like someone made a video game out of a dream, or a painting that talks back. You lead a squad of doomed heroes trying to stop an artist who literally paints people out of existence. It's sad, strange, and beautiful. Play it and bring tissues, I warned you. Number 2, Death Stranding 2 On the Beach. If you have played the first one, you know what you are in for. If you haven't, buckle up. Death Stranding 2 is a vibe, a full-on emotional journey where you are not just delivering packages, you are delivering hope across the ruins of the world. The visuals are insane, the music is soul piercing, and the story will make you question reality and maybe cry a little. Sam Bridges is back, and somehow this one's even weirder and better. Number 1, Assassin's Creed Shadow. Okay, no surprises here. Assassin's Creed Shadow is an absolute masterpiece. We finally got the feudal Japan setting, and it was worth every second of the wait. Two protagonists, Neo the ninja and Yasuke the samurai, both with their own stories, both badass in totally different ways. The world is stunning, the narrative rich with betrayal, revenge, and honor. This is AC at its storytelling peak. If you are a fan of history, stealth, or just want to feel like an actual shadow ghost, this one's a must play. So that's my list of the best story driven games that you can play in 2025. And yeah, I'm emotionally wrecked and proud of it. Which one are you playing right now? Did I miss your favorite? Let's talk in the comments. I read every single one. And hey, if this helped you pick your next game, hit that like button, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on!